Hey y'all! So today we are in Groveland, Florida at Lake David Park, and there is a pro wakeboarding contest going on, competition, and these people are having a blast. So if you've never been here and you've never been to one of these, make sure you come down and check it out sometime. Come on, let's go check them out. They are just having a ball. I wish I could do that still. If I was, 25 years younger, I might. Y'all know me. Of course I would. Hang in there. If you don't know, Claremont and Groveland are just full of lakes, and nothing like seeing a great palm tree and then seeing a big old live oak with so much Spanish moss on it, and then a great lake house out here. Isn't that phenomenal? Don't you just love that? That's like a scene out of a book. All right. Looks like a fun time to me. So the riders run their course and then they come back and drop right here, and then the next ones get on right here. So as you can see on the flags, this is sponsored by Supraboats. That's what the boat is that is towing the riders right now. And this is the Pro Wake Tour 2026. Again, it is Lake David in Groveland, Florida. All right, we got another young lady up and running. These girls fly. They're so light. They hit the wakes and right over they go. Imagine the strength it takes to do those type of tricks.
Okay, I'll be back.
A whole lot of people standing out here on the dock watching. All right. Oh, wipe out. That's all right. Get back up and do it again. And another pull. All right.
Thank you.
I got a little too hot. Guess where I went? Pulled my feet off. Tops of my feet got sunburned, so stuck them right in the fountain. Okay, so the guys have started up and I've cooled my feet off in the splash pad because, you know, that's what you do when your feet get hot. I don't care. But I tell you what, I'll show you right here. Okay, feet cool. Let's go check out some of these guys. They're having some wipeouts already. We're going to go see what's going on. My gosh, you guys, there's a little baby gator right here. A little baby one. I see him. He is having himself a fish. Can you see him? Can you see him? Little tiny guy. He just swam right up here to the edge of the water. He's probably about maybe a foot long, if he's that. Maybe a foot long. He just came with his cute little self right over here and grabbed a big old bite of a fish. I missed that part, but he's super cute. And yes, of course, there are definitely gators. Okay, got one hooked up here. So you get after it. Wow. Wow. Oh, he made it. He did not wipe out. He totally made that. That was a lot of air right there. There he goes. Man, it looks like so much fun. All right, back through the home stretch they come. Here he comes. Got to cut across and get some air. Wow. Oh, wipe out. All right, they got him hitched back up. There's a lot of support from the community of the wakeboarders out here for people when they're out here competing, which is great. All right, we got another one coming. So they go behind the boat for a little bit if you've never watched one of these, and then you see them veer out to the side. They come back and hit the wake for a jump. Wow, he stuck that one. Here he comes again. All right. My biggest fear for me would be if you wiped out and you had to wait for somebody to come and get you. Because, you know, if that water wet, it got gators in it. True story. And let's see if he makes it back. Definitely a good time. There's a lot of family out here promoting the young people that are out here doing the competitions today. We don't personally know anyone in these competitions, but we saw it online and we thought this would be a fun thing to come out and check out. So, true Florida kids. Wow. Made it look easy. All right. Nice. All right. We got another one all hitched up and ready to do his thing. All right. If you could see the ones that are getting ready to go out here for their run, they are jumping up and down, running and doing flips, standing in place doing flips, forward flips, back flips. It's pretty wild to watch them warm up. All right, back through the home stretch. Wow. Wow, that was big air. Okay, next up. Wow. Oh, good run. All right, back through the home stretch after the big wipeout. Wow. He's getting some really good air. Oh, wow. He made it. He made it. He made it. Oh, that didn't sound fun. Dang it, man. I hate it when that happens. And they have a rescue jet ski for when that happens. So, these kids are having fun all day long. So if you're into this kind of thing, come out, join up, do whatever you gotta do. It's a whole lot of fun to watch. Okay, so we are done for the day from beautiful Lake David. We've seen a baby gator, we've seen a bunch of talented wakeboarders. You know, I've been in the splash pad like a child. It really doesn't matter because in Florida, when it gets hot, it's hot, man. So, you know, I ain't about to have hot feet. But listen, we got some more adventures coming up. And just so you know, you're beautiful, you're handsome, you're worthy, you're so worthy, unbelievably worthy. And you know what else? You're loved. And guess what? I love you. Okay,